longs looked pretty nice above pre-market highs. I managed to catch some of them, and yeah, a pretty good day for me, I must say. I had some longs on ES and then as well as Palantir, which was pretty nice for me as well. So let's just go over those two trades from yesterday. So originally, as I said on the pre-market stream here yesterday, which was, I do these every single Wednesday through to Friday here on the edgeful Discord as well as on socials. But basically, I said if we take out that 800 level, we could definitely see longs into the open, and that's what we get. We pull back down into that overnight VWAP, and I got the original longs actually at a great price, about 796, and I ended up taking my first profit target at about 820, so a good 20 points or so there. And then the second longs I got late on in the day, higher up, just playing the directional bias, getting the quick little 10 points there to the high side. So that was yesterday. But remember, I told you guys about keeping it simple. Trade in line with that New York session VWAP and the opening range break as well. So yeah, a pretty easy day yesterday. And if you had been on stream with me, listening to the edgeful data as well. But let's speak about what we do have today. So interesting day here today. We have pulled back lower overnight, and we are still trading as an inside day. So let's bear that in mind. We're trading completely within the previous day's highs and the previous day's lows. That's going to sway my decision-making abilities today in terms of not looking to swing too hard. I spoke yesterday also about not trying to play, trade every single day in front of you, but trying to just pick those sweet spots in the market where your edge is presenting. So we'll see what happens. I'm not too sure what we could see at this morning. Obviously, anything can happen, right? But what I'm kind of seeing at the moment is maybe we sweep up to take the previous day's highs. We are trading overnight, above overnight session VWAP as well. And Mag 7 stocks are also trading higher this morning too. So that will be interesting. Let's go over my Palantir trade yesterday as well, which I traded on my personal trading account, and we can speak about this. But basically, very simple. We traded down lower at the open, but then we hold the opening range low, and I look to take the bounce over here. So I got long about 3 hours into the open and ended up taking it back to the opening range highs. So using my stop underneath the opening range low and then trading it back towards those highs. You guys know I love using the orb and VWAP. So that was my play yesterday, and I took that ES trade live on stream too. So let's go over again maybe some NQ from heading into the open as well. And we can speak about a few reports that you guys should be having a look at heading into the open. So one of the reports that I love to use, you guys have heard me speak about the opening range. I would also advise you to have a look at that opening candle continuation report. I love using it. You can use it on the 15-minute, 30-minute. I personally use the hourly, but you can change it as well in your customization. You can change it. You can see. But yeah, if we let's just go to, for example, a stock like NVDA. In the last 6 months, if the first hour has been bullish, 75% of the time we close as a bullish closing day, and vice versa for the short 74. You can even go to a stock like Tesla. Tesla rallied yesterday as well pretty heavily. So look at this in the last 6 months, 77 and 74. So very, very interesting statistics there. Just bear in mind, we do have Friday. Was it this week or is NFP next week? Let's have a look here. Yeah, NFP should be this week. So I don't know why it's not showing up here. But yeah, no more news left here today. We should have NFP next week. I don't know why it's not showing on here. Anyone got anything on that? Flash manufacturing PMI. Maybe NFP was probably last week then. No, NFP should be showing government shutdown, I guess. Yeah, that's good. That's fair play. Because normally NFP is the first Friday of every single month. But anyway, probably due to that government shutdown, as Hoa said there in the live chat. But yeah, that's my thought process today. Tesla, again, I wanted to just mention this, rallied pretty nicely above. We can actually look over here. We respected the opening range low, and we just rallied right back towards those Friday's highs. I mean, we had a massive down Tesla from low to high, 5%. So it's going to be interesting to see what we do get today. But I'm kind of leaning into the longs, but I wouldn't be surprised to see if we do maybe form a lower high. And yeah, we haven't got back towards yesterday's highs yet either. But yeah, I'll be in the Discord, H4 Discord rest of the day, as well as on my live stream where I take obviously live trades. And then tomorrow, starting tomorrow, we will have the Edgeful live stream, which is going to be obviously free on Edgeful's YouTube. So make sure to check that out. The live stream for mine is in the link in my bio. Make sure to check that out. And then starting tomorrow with Andre and I, we will be doing live trading from the open Mondays and Fridays. So keep that in mind too. Perfect.